The Dell XPS 9315 is a model in the high-end XPS family that is renowned for its superior build quality and performance as of my most recent update. The Dell XPS 9315 specifics would need to take into account the ratings and specifications that were available at the time of your question. These are some factors that are usually considered when reviewing a laptop, such as the Dell XPS 9315. The XPS line, which combines aluminum and carbon fiber elements, is frequently praised for its elegant and robust design. Although it is normally light and thin in profile, it becomes a little heated. The Dell XPS 9315 boasts high-resolution screens with superior brightness and color accuracy. A minimum amount of bezels may also be present because of Dell's Infinity Edge technology. It has a touchscreen display options, 13-inch 4K. The Dell XPS 9315 has an integrated 16GB RAM and a 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor, with onboard 512GB of storage. The XPS 9315 laptops have a nice keyboard with good travel, but when the keyboard light is turned on, it appears a little bit bright because of the keyboard's hue. You should be able to use a 51WH11.5V battery for about 6 to 7 hours before it needs to be recharged. Varying battery performance is significant for real-world applications. Because of its tiny profile and restricted number of USB-C 2 ports, the XPS 9315 may have fewer ports overall. Bluetooth compatibility and the most recent Wi-Fi standards are examples of wireless connectivity. Windows is pre-installed on laptops such as the XPS 9315, and they may also feature a number of Dell tools.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.